Software deployment. Deploying software across endpoints shouldn't involve manual installs, user interruptions, or version mismatches. With Zecurit Endpoint Manager, you gain complete control over how software is delivered across your organization from a single cloud-based console. Zecurit supports all major operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux, and handles a wide range of package formats such as MSI, EXE, DMG, PKG, and native Linux installers, giving you true cross-platform deployment from one place. Start by building your centralized software repository. Define installation packages, configure silent install parameters, add pre-checks, and set post-install actions, ensuring zero user dependency. Create deployment policies in target devices by group, department, or individual endpoints. Schedule rollouts during off hours. Define retry behavior for offline devices, and ensure consistent delivery every time. Whether you're onboarding new employees or rolling out organization-wide updates, Zecurit enables bulk deployment to hundreds of devices in a single action. For remote endpoints, deployment works seamlessly over the internet, no VPN required. Track deployment status in real time, identify failures instantly, and access detailed logs for troubleshooting and audit. With Zecurit, software deployment is automated, cross-platform, and completely reliable.